Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to fix Google Drive notification not showing on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive applications. And if you want to fix it, you just have to go to this three lines icon. After, go ahead to the settings. In the settings, you will see the notifications options. Just tap on it. And if you want to fix it, you just have to make sure that this allow notifications option is already turned on for the toggle beside it, like this, yeah guys, until it's turned green. And after, here at the bottom, you can also manage for the specific notification that not showing on your phone. For example, if there are turned gray like this options, which is for the approvals, for the comments, it's turned gray like this, there will be not showing for the notification from approvals and comments on a Google Drive, guys. If you want to fix it, you just have to make sure that the toggle is turned green like this or it's turned on. And if you already turn on for the all specific notifications at a Google Drive and there are still not showing for the notifications, you can clear for the cache, guys. To clear it, you just have to go back, and after at the bottom we'll see the clear cache. Just tap on it. Now tap on OK. And for the clear cache is help us to restart for the Google Drive application. And if it is still not works, you can update first for your Google Drive by open the App Store or the Play Store. So yeah, I think it's enough guys, a tutorial from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.